So with everybody and their mama getting a license, how can you possibly get noticed in the insurance industry? What's up everybody, it's your boy Steve, helping insurance agents build a trusted brand with videos. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing and click that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. That was a lot in one breath. So with everyone getting a license to sell insurance nowadays, it's getting harder and harder to get noticed in this industry. But it's not impossible. So how do you grab customer attention? How do you get noticed in this crowd? There used to be a time where you could be a ghost on social media. That time is come and gone. But even now, making videos every now and again is not enough to get the attention of your audience. So how do you get customers to stop scrolling and watch your videos? How do you get them to care about your message? Let me explain. It's not you. It's just your understanding of human behavior. Let me give you an example. I can't get my son to eat veggies to save his life. It is impossible. He needs vegetables, right? They're good for him. But no matter how many times we wave veggies in his face, he's not gonna eat it. He wants no parts of it. And sadly, this is most people when it comes to insurance information. Most of the time, people don't hop on social media to learn anything. They hop on social media to be entertained. So how do you get people to pay attention? Same way I got my son to eat vegetables. I mix them into something that he actually likes. Customers want to be entertained. So make your content entertaining. So by adapting an edutainment mindset to your content, it makes it a lot easier to grab attention, get noticed, and generate leads online. And here's a couple tips to help you get there. Show enthusiasm. Energy is contagious. If you want to grab attention, you have to learn how to be excited about what you're doing and learn how to transfer that energy onto your viewers. Now, you may have been in the industry for a number of years, so getting excited about something you do every day could be a challenge. But to your customers, it's the first time they've heard this information. It's your job to be enthusiastic and come up with new and creative ways to make this information exciting to your viewers and to you. So let's take a look at someone else that took information that was relatively dull and made it interesting. Check this guy out right here. So if you don't know who this is, your childhood was a lot cooler than mine. This is Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. And in the early 90s, he helped millions of kids become interested in science. How did he do it? He made this subject easy to learn, fun to watch, and fun to teach. To the vast majority, insurance is not an interesting topic, similar to science. So try to think, how can you make your subject more interesting? Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna relive my childhood. Next, you need to learn how to tell stories. Our brains are wired to gravitate towards a good story. We spend hours binge watching a Netflix show. We will sit through a 3-hour movie to see how it plays out. So learning how to tell a good story will definitely help grab people's attention. And for half a century, businesses have been using stories to draw in customers. Why? Because it works. Check out this commercial, for example. In this commercial, Skype tells us that families from all around the world stay connected and stay together regardless of distance using their app. In this commercial, they're not only telling a great story, but they've created characters that we can relate to. So next time that you're tailoring your message, think about dropping your customers into a story. Next, try making adding to someone's day a priority. So when you're building content for your business, try switching your mindset from generating a lead to triggering an emotional response, like happiness. Yay! This could be from making someone laugh to sharing a life-changing tip. And the reason is this. Studies have shown that the average person sees 4,000 advertisements a day. 4,000. And more than likely, you haven't even noticed. And that's because throughout the day, we're constantly scanning and searching for information that's of interest to us. And those 4,000 ads are low on the list. See, this chart here gives a good representation of what we're looking for. Just think about it. When was the last time you actually watched a commercial? We just don't notice them anymore. But what we do notice is content that makes us think and makes us feel. So if you can teach a customer something new and make them laugh at the same time,
you are a god among men, all right?
I'm just saying. Lastly, do not follow the crowd. When you're just getting started, you might feel the need to mirror other agents' content. But your goal is to create unique and attention-grabbing marketing. And the last thing you want to do is become invisible in this industry. Most insurance content on the internet today is strictly informative, with little to no focus on grabbing attention. So instead of copying other insurance agents' content, try to see exactly what they're missing. Try to think about what could have been added to their marketing to make them more noticeable. Research content in other industries. Find out how you can incorporate what you learned into your own content. Taking a look at other industries will help you expand your thinking. For example, let's take a look at serial entrepreneur and best-selling author Michael Michalowicz. If you're not familiar with him, check out his books Profit First and Pumpkin Plan. This man created a multi-million-dollar business model after studying pumpkin farmers. Now that's some off-the-wall inspiration. But he was only able to do this after exploring outside his industry. You never know what kind of ideas you'll find when you're willing to make the connection. Now, if you want to learn how to find leads on Facebook, feel free to check out this video in the corner right here. Question of the day, what tips do you have for getting attention in the insurance industry? Type it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Until next time, I will see you around. Take care.